Hi everybody. So I was just walking along my driveway, and I have this pillar over here that I made, and all of a sudden I looked and I saw this stuff here. I'm like, wow, that's interesting. I've never seen anything like this. I thought maybe this could be a wasp's nest, but it doesn't look like a wasp's nest. I mean, look how intricate that is right there. And I started poking at it, and watch what comes out of it. All right, watch. Look, it's filled with spiders. There's like these compartments. There's one here, and there's spiders in them. And then some of them have a worm. Look, there's a spider right there, and some have worms in them. Now I don't know where these worms come from. Look, right there, there's a worm. Look at that. Now, spiders couldn't carry all these worms in here. That's a worm hanging in there. Look at that. And there's another one right there. And these worms, they're like liquefied. Look at that. Now, did the spiders bring these worms here to eat them for their young to grow and eat them? But it's just freaking weird. Look at that, more worms. Unless, I don't know. I've never seen anything like this. Maybe somebody has seen this stuff. Now these here only have these worms. Unless they're not worms, unless they're larvae for wasps. Ah! Could it be that this is like a wasp that brought these spiders in here to eat them? Look at that. Now there's no, I don't see any more spiders in here. I only see worms. Huh. So probably that's not a spider's nest. That's probably a wasp. I've seen that, where a wasp captures spiders and they put them in a hole, and then they lay the egg, and then their young eats the spider, and they paralyze the spider. So the spider stays alive but paralyzed, and then as the young starts growing, they eat the spider. Huh. Interesting. Cool.